Number 1. Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 is hands down the best budget camera for beginners. Instantly, you'll find this DSLR a worthy successor to the D3400, and its value stands out against pricier mirrorless cameras. This camera captures stunning images thanks to an improved 24 megapixels APS-C sensor. In our extensive tests, we were blown away by its high-quality photos, perfect for those wanting to step up their photography game without breaking the bank. Comfortable handling is one of its key features. Its grip feels just right, and the body is slightly lighter, making long shooting sessions a breeze. Battery life is a huge win. With up to 1,550 frames per charge, you can shoot all day without needing to recharge. This is especially handy during events or vacations where finding an outlet is a hassle. If you prefer using longer lenses, the D3500 really shines here. It's more user-friendly compared to many mirrorless counterparts. One minor downside is the lack of advanced features found in more expensive models. However, this simpler interface is actually a big plus for beginners. It narrows your focus to the basics, making it easier to learn photography essentials. Overall, Nikon D3500 nails the basics and is an outstanding choice for new photographers. Intrigued? Dive in and discover why this camera continues to impress everyone from novices to enthusiasts. That's a wrap.